Okay, we're gonna try today with the air conditioning on. I don't know how the sound is gonna be. I hope it's a good equipment, but maybe you can see a little bit the background. It's too hot today in New York, so I'm gonna see what happened today. This actually operation had me all night up, the whole night because I knew that the yen was about to fall at some point. I just knew it. The VWAP and the PPO, the pivots was too low. Even it broke the fourth deviation zone, and we know that once it broke the fourth deviation zone, even if it goes down, it will go up again and go upper. So let's analyze what happened here. We know that the price is in the third or in the fourth. As long as in the third above, we're good. Actually, if it cannot pass the fourth, so 80% of the time it goes from third to VWAP. That is normally what happens. When it goes to fourth, is fourth plus third deviation zone. This is 90% of the time. From here is gonna cycle back to the VWAP. And now, because it's Friday, we have the VWAP that is static. That price right now is not moving, so it's a good target for next week. So there, what happened. We got the price in the third deviation zone. We have the price outside the value area without any VWAP against us because VWAP from last week was paid. The ratio here, it was 1. Like if I want to put the stop loss here, let's calculate it. It will be the ruler. I go, okay, here's the entrance, and this exactly one. Here, we know that we put the stop loss a little bit on top of 4. So I got 345 against how much? The ruler, the same point here, to the VWAP. That will be this VWAP here. Against 900. So almost a 3-to-1 in winning. We can win 3, we can lose 1. Here's where we put our stop loss. That's good. And now the divergency, here we can see it was a price. The price is higher than the last candle. The pressure and the delta are negative, but the price is divergence of the other two. So we got those 5, the must. Okay, now let's go with analysis. We can see that the value area was a balanced profile. I will say yes at this point. The poke was supposed to be here in the PP exactly in the middle, but for my strategy, I give it like 10-15% go no exactly in the middle. So I will say that that was a good one. The poke is not between the price. The VWAP actually is way above the poke, so that is a no-go for us. The deviations, let's see how the deviations were. If we're gonna maximize this like that, the deviation were pretty horizontal, man. They were like diagonal. You can see here like really diagonal. If I'm gonna draw a line like I did yesterday, let me draw a line. It will be here. Let's say from here to here, if that is 45-degree angle, this is higher than this 45-degree angle. Absolutely. So that for us is a no-go at all. So we got that one, no go. We got that one too. Okay, it was the max and min of the season. Yes. Now, it was the max minimum here, the maximum, the minimum of this week, the highest point that we got this week. Perfect. Now let's go with the range of 10. No agreements pending. We got a 0 here for the bids, so that's good. No agreements pending. We have an increase of volume. Look, from 1,400 to 2,000. Good. We got a delta. The difference between the bid and the ask is 13. It's greater than 5. Minus 13. When I say 5 is minus, positive, negative 5. We got 13. That's a good delta. Good delta. And now we got a progressive disinterest in the last 4 or 5. We actually got like in the last 6 here. You see? It goes from 439, 336, 224, 178, 65, 600. I go upper, we have more disinterest in that price. So my app say is a good market entry. The only one of this that you can say, okay, I'm not 100% sure, will be this one, this point. But Fridays are pretty good because you see is the maximum develop of the deviations. Here we got it. They cannot be bigger anymore because now it closed. This is for the whole week. You see how it will be Monday. Monday, look how they go from Friday here last Friday to Monday. No way to operate that. And from there, that's how we go. We are now waiting until it touch the value area high. We put the stop loss and break even, and that will be our goal. Okay, right now we are in positive from this operation that we took. We actually can see it. I'm gonna see my MetaTrader, show you how that operation was in positive. Not quite that one, quite this one, the low risk. Those are all operations that I got. This one, you can see 18,000. Okay, we were positive here in the yen. We got it here. This is our main goal. We got the stop loss over there. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that's what we got today. Have a good weekend. Enjoy it. See you next time.